7 days is all it takes to build a digital empire. Or at least that is what the people behind this new Vitality gummy want you to believe. I spent my morning digging into these colorful little supplements that are suddenly everywhere on social media feeds. They call them JellyBlue. The marketing is incredibly slick. The promises are even slicker. We are talking about bold claims of boosted stamina, endless energy, and a surge in confidence that sounds too good to be true. When I see a product popping up out of nowhere with thousands of glowing reviews, my internal alarm bells start ringing. You look at the ingredients and they seem familiar. They use things like maca root and ashwagandha. These are common staples in the wellness world. They also throw in some grapeseed extract and L-arginine for good measure. These ingredients do have actual scientific studies behind them. They can help with blood flow or stress management in certain cases. But here is the catch. These are not miracle cures. They are not going to transform your life overnight like a magic potion. The biggest red flag for me is not even the gummies themselves. It is the website history. Security analysts flag the domain as suspicious because it has only been live for a week. Think about that for a moment. How does a brand get thousands of verified 5-star reviews in only 7 days? It simply does not add up. They use these high-pressure tactics like limited time discounts and big, bold countdown timers. It is designed to make you click buy before you can think clearly. I see this pattern all the time in the supplement industry. It is a world where aggressive marketing often outpaces the actual science. You have to ask yourself who is really writing those testimonials on their page. When a company controls the platform, they control the narrative. Independent reviews are almost impossible to find for this specific brand right now. That is a massive signal to slow down. If you are looking for a boost, you might be better off sticking to the basics of sleep and exercise. Or at least look for a brand that has been around longer than a head of lettuce in your fridge. Taking a risk on a brand new site with no track record is a gamble with your wallet and your health. The formula might be fine, but the business practices feel very shaky. I always tell people to look past the shiny labels. These companies know exactly which buttons to push to make you feel like you're missing out. They use words like vitality and performance because those words sell. But real results come from consistency and proven track records. This particular product feels more like a flash in the pan. It is a high-risk situation. You should definitely do your own digging before handing over your credit card info. Check the refund policies very closely. See if there's a real physical address or a working customer service line. Most of the time, these fly-by-night operations vanish as quickly as they appeared. Stay skeptical and stay informed. You deserve to know exactly what you are putting into your body. Don't let a well-placed ad rush you into a bad decision. There are plenty of reputable options out there that do not need to hide behind a 7-day-old website. Keep your eyes open and keep your expectations realistic. It is easy to get swept up in the hype when something promises to solve all your problems with a simple gummy. But true health is never that simple. You have to be your own advocate. Watch out for those aggressive marketing funnels. They want your money before you have time to research. Take a breath and look at the facts. If it looks like a risk, it probably is.